Hello friends, I am Shreyans Bhatia from Bhantia's Training and Consultancy, and we are looking at mole concept and stoichiometry. Simple basic questions of mole concept and Avogadro's law. So let's begin. The first question is, calculate the number of atoms of potassium present in 117 grams of potassium, all measures at s.t.p. Potassium is 39 grams in gram atomic mass, which will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Now the question is, 117 grams will contain how many? So it's a very simple question. So that's very simple. You will get 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 117 divided by 39. That is, you will cross multiply and you will get, once you simplify, 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, and this will be your final answer. Now let's look at the second question. Calculate the number of moles and molecules in 19.86 grams of PB No3 twice. First of all, you will have to find the molecular weight of PB No3 taken twice. So PB No3 taken twice will be 207 plus, in bracket, n will be 14 plus 3 into 16 into 2. This will come down to 207 plus 14 plus 48 into 2. 207 plus 14 plus 48 would be 62 into 2. This will be 207 plus 124, and finally you get this to be 1, 3 and 3 grams. So the molecular weight of PB No3 is 331 grams. Now, as we know, the molar mass will contain 1 mole, and which will again contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. But the given mass is 19.86 grams. So the moles will be X. When we simplify, we get X equals to 19.86 divided by 331, which will come out to 0.06 mole. And similarly, when we calculate for number of molecules, 0.06 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, as 1 mole contains 6.022, so that fraction will be multiplied to the number of molecules in 1 mole, and hence we get the answer. Now let's see at the third question. Calculate the mass of an atom of lead, all measurements at s.t.p. Mass of one atom of lead. So PB equals to 207 grams, which will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. And what we have been asked is 1 atom's weight. What we have asked is 1 atom's weight. So X will be 207 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, which comes down to 33.53 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. And this will be your final answer for this question. Let's see the next question. Calculate the number of molecules in 1.5 liter of water, all measurements at s.t.p. The density of water is given 1 gram per cc, 1 gram per cc. Therefore, mass of water can be volume into density. So with this logic, what we have to do is 1.5 liter will basically be 50. Density of water is given 1 gram per cc. So basically the mass of water that is given is 1500 grams. So here we get the mass of water, and now we are supposed to find the number of molecules. 1 mole H2O is equals to 18 grams, which will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Now we are given 1500 grams and we have to find the number of molecules. So X will be 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 1500 divided by 18, and this will basically come down to, when you calculate it, 83.33 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, and this will be your final answer to the given question. Now let's see the next question. Calculate the gram atom in 88.75 grams of chlorine, all measurements at s.t.p. Now the formula of gram atom is equals to weight of molecule or atom. So this can be also molecule divided by molecular or atomic weight. So gram atoms of 88.75 will be 88.75 divided by 35.5, and which will come down to be 2.5 gram atoms. Now guys, you have to memorize this formula, that is gram atom or molecule will be weight of the atom or the molecule divided by the molecular mass or atomic mass, and that's a very simple formula to know. Now let's see the next question. Calculate the number of hydrogen atoms in 0.25 moles of H2SO4, all measurements at s.t.p. Now it's a bit tricky question because now 0.25 moles of H2SO4 is given, in which we are supposed to find number of hydrogen atoms. So 1 mole of H2SO4 will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, and we already know this. So 0.25 will contain X, so X becomes 0.25 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Now as we know that H2SO4 contains 2 atoms of hydrogen, so we'll multiply this value with 2 to get the number of hydrogen atoms. So the number of hydrogen atoms will be 2 into 0.25 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, which will come down to 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Here if you have observed, I have made a mistake, that is I have written H2 but it's a atom, so this is wrong. Okay, I hope guys that you have understood the concept, and now let's move to the next question. So in the previous question we saw gram atom. Now this is asking us gram molecule. So we know the formula, weight of the molecule divided by molecular weight. Now this will be equal to weight of the molecule, which is given, that is 21 grams, and the molecular weight of nitrogen will be N2. Nitrogen molecule is N2, so 14 into 2, which will be 21 by 28. This will come down to 0.75 gram molecules, and this will be your final answer to this question. Calculate the number of atoms in 10 liters of ammonia. Now ammonia is in H3 and you should know this. So the molecular weight will be 14 plus 3 into 1, that will be 17 grams, and it will contain the number of atoms 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, which will be equals to 22.4 liters. But the given question is 10 liters and we have to find the number of atoms. So X will be X equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 10 divided by 22.4. This will come down to 2.68 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. But here the question is not about the molecules but about the atoms. So each molecule will contain 4 atoms. So we'll multiply this by 4. So 4x equals to 4 into 2.68 into 10 raised to 23. So you will get the final answer as 10.7 into 10 raised to 23 atoms approximately, and this will be your final answer. I hope guys that you are getting the logic behind it. Now I want you to solve the next question by pausing this video and then look at the solution if you are getting the concept right. So pause the video and please try and solve this question before watching this solution. Did you get the answer guys? Please click on the tag above and please give your answer to yes or no. And in the comment section you can write why didn't you get the answer if in case you did not get the answer. It's a very easy question. So let's try and solve this. Calculate the number of atoms in 60 grams of neon. So neon is given 20. So 20 grams will be gram atomic mass, which will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. And the given mass is 60 grams and we have to find the number of atoms present. So 60 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 20. The final answer that you get is 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. I hope guys you understand where did you make a mistake and rectify it. Now let's see the last question for today's video. Calculate the number of moles of X atoms in 93 grams of X. And X is phosphorus. So the gram atomic weight will be 31 grams of X, which will be 1 mole. And you have been given 93 grams and you have to find the number of moles. So that's again a very simple question. 93 by 31 and you get the answer to be 3 moles. I hope guys that you are solving the questions with me and getting the answers. If not, in case you have any difficulty, please comment in the comment section so that I can reply and clarify your doubt or make another video about the same. Thank you for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from this channel. Thank you.